Thirikari kugerera Ministry ya Ũgima wa Mwĩrĩ ni ikoretwo ikiamukira kigina na indo ingi hari kuhurana na king'uki gya COVID-19 no ni gukoretwo na mateta maingi ati kigina giki ni kiugumitio niguo kuhetana na thina uyu. Thirikari ni yũmbĩte kamiti ya mwanya iria riramataga kigina na indo iria iraheanwo kuhurana na murimu wa coronavirus.
And in the spirit of accountability and transparency, we have put in place mechanisms to ensure that each and every donation that comes in within the ministry is actually accounted for and is deployed to areas of need.
Kamiti no ni rihotaga kugaya indo icio icigo-ini itiganite kuringana na wĩingĩ wa arwaru wa COVID-19 kaunti-ini.
A committee that is now going to be handling this process, a committee that has a very laid out, elaborate mechanism of how they receive donations, how they're able to conduct quality assurance of all the donations that come in, noting that we want to avoid the case of dumping donations in the country.
Umuthi bururi-ini wa mukirite indo cia kugitira arigitani kuma kuri ruhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ thĩ yothe, ona gũtuĩka ni macakaĩte ũrĩa mũingĩ ũkoretwo ũkĩmaĩrĩria harĩ kũrũmĩrĩra mĩtaratara ĩrĩa ĩgathĩkĩtwo harĩ gũtiria gũtherema kwa mũrimũ ũyũ.
We've also seen a general laxity in individuals' behavior from the initial widespread compliance before the opening up of the lockdown locations to where now people are not wearing masks, are not keeping their distance, and are not sustaining hygiene and protective measures.
Umuthi andu 679 nio monekanite na murimu uyu thutha wa andu 3,590 guthimwo rungu rwa mathaa 24 namba ya arwaru igikinyaniria andu 28,104.
We have 658 Kenyans while we have 21 foreigners. 400 are male whereas 279 are female. And the youngest is a 1-month-old infant, while the oldest is 87.
Andu 18 ni makuite kumana na murimu uyu guku murugamiriri munene wa unyitaniri mwega wa muingi ruhonge-ini rwa KEMRI agikirwo mukonde gukorwo akuite kumana na murimu uyu.
An astute health worker who was working at KEMRI Medical Research Institute, Mr. Kamau Mugenda, was the Director of Corporate Affairs since April 2017, an exemplary worker who will be remembered for human resource development, for automation of the Institute's processes, for implementation of the ERP system, and for infrastructural development.
Wona gukiri ogwo andu 743 ni mahonete kumana na murimu uyu kuri andu 645 ni aria maramukira urigiti kuma mĩciĩ-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV getwo Waithira wa Kĩhara.